I'm not saying that you can't hear God anywhere else. But if you really want to hear God and just really be still, go find you a spot somewhere in nature. Talk to God, turn the TV off, turn the radio off, turn the phone off, put the phone on do not disturb. I know I'm recording right here in this moment, but I'm doing it for a reason. This is where God is. I'm telling you, it's peace. Look at my feet. It's peaceful. Everything is in its purpose. The grass, the trees, the birds chirping, the bugs. I'm telling y'all, don't get me started. This is where God is. Yeah, yeah. He will meet you. He will meet you. He will meet you. He will meet you when you make the time for God. When you make intentional time for God, woo, He will meet you. He will meet you right here and let it all out. Whatever it is that you are going through, we can't fight this stuff by ourselves, y'all. It's heavy right now. It's heavy. Life is heavy. But I'm telling you, right here, find you a spot. Go in nature. Turn off all the distractions and talk to God. Tell him how you feel.